Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot or full page screenshot in Opera GX browser. For this, you don't need any extension or software because this is a built-in feature to take full page screenshot. First, open Opera GX browser on the PC. After that, navigate to the page you want to take full screenshot. After that, click on this one snapshot beside address bar. Click on this one snapshot button. After that, click on this one option at the top that says capture full page. Click on this. That's it. Opera GX will automatically capture that screen for you. After that, click on this one save image button. Now locate a file or folder, locate the location where you want to save this, name it. After that, save it. Now you can view that full page screenshot by double clicking on it. As you can see on the my screen, I have taken this one full page screenshot. You can see this much long page I have taken a screenshot in one single image. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.